What's up, creatives, and welcome to another Romeo show. Today I'm going to be showing you a very quick and easy tutorial on how to make an origami phone holder. We're going to be making this phone holder today. It is an absolutely brilliant piece of origami to make. So we're going to be making this one today. We are. So what we are waiting for, folks? Let's roll intro. How are we all doing? Hope we've all had a good week and good weekend. My name is Romeo. I am a sketch and motivational artist, uploading art therapy videos on a Wednesday and how-to videos on a Tuesday on this channel. If you're new to the show, hit the subscribe button, click that bell and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. First things first, let's get down to what we've been doing all week. I've been uploading more designs onto my Redbubble store. Made a sale last week as well, which I'm absolutely brilliant, and which was absolutely brilliant. I'm absolutely grateful for that person who bought one of my t-shirts. It's a big step. It's a big win for me. You know, I started the Redbubble store up a couple of months ago, and I was having doubts about it. And you know what, seeing that sale come through was absolutely brilliant. So thank you very much to the person who bought that t-shirt. And also last week as well, I sold a few of my motivational books as well. This is called It's Not Just Motivational on Mondays. It comes in a white and black cover. It is an absolute brilliant book for mental health, writing down your feelings, your goals, any achievements that you have done as well. And also throughout the book, I've also placed breathing exercises for you to do. These help you to focus. There is a map, like a maze on there, and you start your breathing process from the beginning of the maze, and you follow it all the way into the center, then you follow it all the way back again. There are quotes and words underneath for you to recite back. It's a great way of meditation, calming yourself down, helping you to focus. I've also placed Zentangle patterns, which you guys know that I create. I also do the Mandala patterns, but the Zentangle patterns is what I was doing before. These are great art therapy videos for you to focus, help you concentrate, help with hand-eye coordination, better sleep patterns, and also helps you with your mistakes too. Why does it help you with your mistakes? Because you draw these patterns in pen. Anyone can draw these patterns. If you can draw a line, a circle, a straight line, anything like that, you can write the alphabet, you can create these patterns. There is a playlist on my channel of all my Zentangle patterns, so you can follow along to any of those when you purchase the book. You can follow along to any of their patterns, but there is also reference patterns also inside the book. Going back to making the mistakes, because you draw in pen, if you do make a mistake in this drawing, you can always incorporate it into your design as well, which in further along the line, it helps you to any type of mistakes you may come across, because you've now incorporated, you've developed the ability to create something out of your mistake in your drawing. You'll be able to confront and change any mistakes that you may have made in life. The link to the book is in the description below. I also have the Mandala book, how to draw the Mandala book, my sketchbook, and various other notebooks, journals, and colouring books as well. Also as well, so this is pretty much, this month, it was pretty much also my 1 year anniversary of being on YouTube. That's right, it's been 1 year. April last year, I started my YouTube channel. It was the beginning of the first lockdown. Started the YouTube channel up to help people in progress in their drawings and with their art therapy as well. Making people, you know, feeling that little bit more relaxed, giving them that focus videos for them to sit back, draw, or to just sit back and watch me draw as well. I know a lot of people were doing that too, but also to help you guys follow along with any of my Zentangle and my Mandala drawings. I started this 1 year ago today, and I'm still doing it today. I'm still creating all the videos, and from that point on, you know, the art business that I created is obviously getting better and better, and I've got no desires of stopping it just yet. This is my little baby now, and I'm going to be progressing it, and it's going to be getting better and better. And so far, you know, I've got the print-on-demand company that I'm doing now. I have the book publishing that I'm doing. I'm also doing my commission pieces, which finished my last commission piece last week. Starting a new one this week, I am. So I'm doing all my drawings, all my sketches still. If you guys are wanting to have any type of portrait done, whether it be your pet, your animals, or if your children, anything like that, hit me up with an email at romeo@romeosketches.co.uk, and I'll get back to you, and we can talk about what sort of pictures you're wanting done, what size paper you're wanting it done, anything like that. So you can hit me up with that too. So moving on to today's tutorial, we are going to be making this phone holder. Very cool phone holder to make. You can either decorate it afterwards or decorate the paper beforehand and then do all your folds. But I've actually quite find is just using the colour paper and leaving it how it is. You can get the little packs of card from any of your paper from any of your stores, and it is a bit of a tricky one to make, especially with the paper being so thick and putting the creases in. But trust me, once you've made it, especially with the thicker paper, it's quite sturdy as well. And the cool thing about it is that not only can you have your phone placed vertically as a holder in here as well, but you can also place it horizontally as well. And it's a great little holder to hold your phone. Very easily made as well. It's a great little thing to do, and it looks pretty cool as well. So that's the thing that we're going to be making today. What were you waiting for? Let's roll the tutorial. Okay, right, creative. So to make our origami phone holder, you're going to need a piece of strong paper, coloured paper. You can have blank paper as well, and then you can colour it in or design it all after. But it'll be nice to use just a plain, nice thick paper, because you're going to want it to be quite strong to hold your phone up. Once it's all made, it's going to be quite a sturdy. It's going to be quite a sturdy phone holder once you've completed it and made it. Okay, so we're going to start off with just a normal rectangle piece of paper here. We're going to apply one fold into it first. We're going to fold it over. Pop your crease in. Really make your creases really strong. Okay, once you've done that, open it back up. And now what we're going to do is we're going to fold these two corners towards the centre, so we end up with a crease along there. We are. So we're going to fold this side up first to this side. Put your crease in. Unfold. Do the same on the opposite side. Try and line it up as close to the centre as you can. Pop your crease in. There we've got those two now. Now we're going to do the same thing again on these two corners, bringing them into the centre. Really make that crease nice and definite. And then same thing on this side. It is going to start to get a little bit more difficult when you're folding the stronger paper as you start to fold them, but it is worth using a strong piece of paper it is to do this. Okay, so once we have the corners done and they folded in, we're going to fold these two corners to line up with this side here. So we're going to fold this corner up first, put in a tiny little crease into there, so you've got a small little triangle, and the same thing on this side. Then we're going to put a fold. We're going to fold this flap up to meet up using this line here as our guideline. So we're going to fold this side up. Put your crease in. Then this side as well. So you have that. Unfold it. Open these back up. Pop your fold in. Then fold this back up. Like so. Okay, so now you have this folded in. Turn it over. Now what we're going to do now is going to place a crease along this line and along this line here. So you're pretty much where these two corners meet, that's where your crease pretty much is going to be folded in. Okay, so we're going to take this corner in first. Pop your finger onto that corner bit and then just slowly move this up to that corner, like so. And then slowly put your crease in. So you end up with something like that. Now we're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. Same thing this side as well. Pop that little crease in there. Gently fold that corner into the corner and then bring it down. So now we have two corners folded in like this. We're going to open them up. Now what we're going to do is you're going to place another crease that's going to run from here to along this side and then from here to along that side. So the same thing again. Slowly popping that crease in there, lifting it up, putting in that crease. Same thing on this side. You might need to sort of run your nail along the folded edge, or you can use a rule. Use a ruler as well to make that a little bit more permanent. So you've got that folded now. Turn it around. So you keep them folded. Turn it around. And what we're going to do now is we're going to fold this piece up to here. So this corners here will be your guideline for your crease. So fold this up. Like so. This is where it's going to start to get that a little bit more tricky to put that crease in, but you put enough pressure onto it, you'll be able to put that crease in, you will. Once we have this done now, just give it like a slight little fold. And then what we're going to do is fold this side down, and then this side down, and that slots inside, like so. So you end up with something like that for the moment. I'll show you that again. So you folded this piece up, put a slight little crease into it, so you've reinforced that corner there. Fold this down. This side folds as well, but folds inside of your triangles that you have there. Then what you're going to do is just fold your corners in, and this side, like so. So you end up with that, and then you're going to fold this inside of the model you've just made, so it goes inside of there. Okay, I'll show you that again. You have your folded edge, fold it, place this side inside of your triangle. You've got your folded corners there, then take them, fold it inside, like so. So you end up with your finished model that's all ready for your phone. And place your phone on top. And there we have your phone holder. And you can have your phone either horizontally on here, or you can have your phone vertically and it stays upright. It's a nice easy little method. Nice quick little origami phone holder to make. Very versatile and very sturdy as well. And just looks great as well when you sort of place your phone onto it. And it's, you know, it holds it up really well. And just looks really, really cool. Enjoy this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace out. And how was that video for you guys? Hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button if you did. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Click that bell and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. And that's the end of the show, folks. Thank you all again for watching. Have an amazing week. I shall see you next week. My name is Romeo. This is Romeo Sketches, signing off. Peace out.